friends. Today we will see many beautiful birds and learn their names. This is a duck. Duck is a bird. This is a parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird. This is a rooster. Rooster is a farm bird. This is a pigeon. Pigeon can fly high. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. This is a peacock. Peacock has beautiful feathers. This is a hawk. Hawk is a strong bird. This is a flamingo. Flamingo is pink. This is a nightingale. Nightingale sings sweetly. This is an ostrich. Ostrich is a big bird. This is a guinea fowl. Guinea fowl is a farm bird. This is a turkey. Turkey is a large bird. This is a magpie. Magpie has black and white feathers. This is a seagull. Seagull lives near the sea. This is an eagle. Eagle flies very high. This is a crow. Crow is black. This is a swallow. Swallow is a fast bird. This is a myna. Myna can mimic sounds. This is a robin. Robin has a red chest. This is a tailor bird. Tailor bird is very small. This is a wagtail. Wagtail moves its tail. This is a stork. Stork has long legs. This is a weaver bird. Weaver bird makes nests. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher is blue. This is a goldfinch. Goldfinch is bright yellow. This is a goose. Goose likes water. This is a penguin. Penguin cannot fly. This is a swan. Swan is graceful. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbird is tiny. This is a starling. Starling sings nicely. This is a crane. Crane has long legs. This is a toucan. Toucan has a big beak. This is a canary. Canary sings beautifully. This is a pelican. Pelican has a big pouch. This is a jay. Jay is a colorful bird. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker pecks trees. This is a macaw. Macaw is a large parrot. This is a hoatzin. Hoatzin is a rare bird. This is a pheasant. Pheasant is a beautiful bird. This is a kestrel. Kestrel is a hunting bird. This is a goldfinch. Goldfinch is small and pretty.
If you like our video, like, share, and subscribe.